We need to start wide, you know, and we should be dreaming to an extent with one foot on the ground. Both the 901 and the 9002 that's coming shortly are based on that same sub 5mm overall thickness on that display. We achieve that mainly by the tight use of steel and aluminium framing on the display itself. When we brought Ambilight about 11-12 years ago, realistically the televisions had very heavy bezels, so it took a while before the Ambilight, you know, reached the wall behind. It's a seamless spread of light from the set onto the wall behind, so it's a truly immersive experience because of that bezel reduction. Reinforced by the specification of the OLED itself, so the amazing picture quality that's coming through that panel, it goes in harmony. For sure, these are interesting and exciting times for designers to work on televisions because it becomes an interior object rather than a technology box. We did a bit of digging as a brand together with Philips to really pinpoint how we identify what we see as a design being European. It basically has 4 elements that we see need to be in place in order to be relevant for our brand. The first of which is that as you approach the product, you should inherently understand the purpose of the product and how to use it. The second one is that as a European heritage, which is, I guess, pan-Europe, is there's a certain level of elegance, but there shouldn't be unnecessary decoration. So it should be doing a job well, expressing value, but there shouldn't be details on that design which are unnecessary. We never stop exploring materials. In the 901, we used these aluminium polished perch stands that basically lift the TV off the table and give the illusion of floating, deliberately in order that lightness is communicating high-end performance. The fourth one is the details. When you look at a corner detail of a product, quite often you see multiple parts or different materials coming together. We absolutely focus on getting the combination of those details correct, obviously, but also in a level that can almost delight users in a way that, how did they do that? Or that's a very interesting way of combining different parts. So we talk internally about finessing the details. So when pieces come together, they should add a certain level of delight. Oh, these guys know what they're talking about. It's a product they want to show off. People want to show off the car, they want to show off the television at home. In the end, we want a product to deliver that sense of pride and something that they want to have the friends round and give them a spin.